Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and this morning I am going to make something that I've never made before or had before. I'm making a chorizo egg bake, and I've never had chorizo before. I have 5 links in here. I took the skin or whatever it is off of them and ground them up, and I've got 1 small onion and 1 bell pepper in here that I've cooked with these. I've got 12 eggs in this bowl and some asparagus that I had made Sunday in my Instant Pot, and I just put that in here. I have some Queso Fresco, whatever it is. I've never used this before. I'm going to put this in the egg bake. I don't know how you're supposed to do it. I guess I'm just going to like crumble it up or something and put it on the top. But I've also got some pepper jack cheese, some sharp cheddar cheese. I've got this tomato. This is going to go in with the eggs. And then I've got some jalapeno slices, and I'm going to put some heavy whipping cream in with the eggs. And I've already got my oven preheated to 350, and I'm just going to make this and see how it turns out. And let me get it all together and get everything ready to go in the pan, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. All right, now I'm getting ready to mix this together. Let me tell you again what all's in here. What's in here will be in the description box below. But I've got 5 chorizo sausage links taken out of the covering. I can't even think of the word now. And I've got 1 medium onion and 1 green bell pepper in here. In the egg mixture, I've got, let's see, I think it's, all right, I've got 12 eggs in here. I've got a little bit of cooked asparagus. I've got a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. I've got medium tomato cut up in here. I've got about a 1/2 cup of pepper jack cheese and a 1/2 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. And then let's see, it looks like I got the Queso Fresco. I used about 1/3 of that package and crumbled that up in here. And so I'm going to mix the two together now. Looks like an awful lot of sausage or whatever. I hope I like this. I've never had this chorizo before. Regina doesn't like it, but Regina doesn't like any kind of sausage. I do like sausage. I just don't know about the chorizo, whether I like that or not. All right. Let me mix this all in here. And I've got my pan. I've got a 9x13 pan that I've sprayed with my cooking spray, the olive oil cooking spray. Gosh, it's a lot in here. And it smells like Mexican food, which I know the chorizo is a Mexican sausage, but it smells like tacos to me. All right, so here goes. Gonna pour this in. Mine is, maybe could have stood to put more eggs in here, but hopefully it'll be okay. I'm just gonna level it out, make sure that there's parts of it in each bite. All right. like there's more chorizo down here, down at this end than it is up at the other end. I want it to be all even. This is going to be my breakfast for the rest of the week. Alright, so I've got maybe, well, you can see just a little bit of, this is mild cheddar. I used mild cheddar cheese, not sharp, I'm sorry. Alright, so that's the cheese, because I've got cheese out down inside of it too. So let me spread this out a little bit more. And I got some jalapeno slices, and I'm going to put some of these on the top of it. I don't know how I'm going to feel about that. Most of the time before I went on keto, I really didn't like spicy stuff. Well, it just depended. Some things I did like spicy, like tacos, the taco sauce or whatever you put on tacos. I like that hot. But jalapenos, I'm not sure about it. Alright, I've got to get this open. I'll bring you right back. Okay, alright, so here's the jalapeno slices, and I'm going to put them on top. If nothing else, it'll give it flavor. And I put Himalayan pink salt in here, probably a 3/4 of a tablespoon, and then I put probably a half a tablespoon of coarse ground black pepper. Alright, so like I said, my oven is preheated to 350. I'm going to go on and finish putting this, putting jalapenos on the top of this. Then I'm going to put it in the oven. And the last time I made an egg bake, we had to finish it off 10 minutes in the microwave because it did not cook all the way after an hour. So I'm going to leave this in there for about an hour and a half and check it, and I'll bring you back when it gets done. Okay, I'm back. Alright, now this one, the egg bake that I made the last time, I put in a glass Corningware dish, and it was not done after, I think, 70 minutes. I'm not sure exactly how long I left it in there, but I left it in there right long time, and it was not done. We had to put it in the microwave and finish cooking it the rest of the way in the microwave. But this one, after 1 hour and 5 minutes, is more than done. And I guess it's because this one is in a metal pan versus the glass. But I'm going to taste this and see whether I like chorizo or not. Oh, it's pretty hot. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. This is, wow. I just used half of the pack of chorizo in cooking this. We have a new store here now called BJ's, and I haven't been able to find chorizo. Walmart doesn't carry chorizo, so I got this big pack of it at BJ's, and I used half of it in here, and the other half I froze. So this is amazing. And the jalapenos, wow. And the asparagus and the tomatoes and everything in here. This is really good. Oh, wow. All right, look below the recipe will be in the description box. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and you have a good day.